Hey guys, so I wanted to share with you a real quick video on the best rechargeable LED lights in my opinion. And you can find these at Harbor Freight. A lot of videos on YouTube about these. It's the BRAUN, it's magnetic, it's got a swivel head back and forth just like this, pretty awesome. It's rechargeable. It comes with the charge cable, everything you need to have to charge it. It's got several different settings, so that's the brightest, that's the dimmest, and then you've got a little light here on the end, and there you go, 3 different settings. So very, very, very magnetic. I mean, I wish I could share with you how magnetic that is. It will stick on the sides of walls. In fact, I'll show you on my toolbox where I stick this to the side of this toolbox while it's charging. This little light will turn green when it's charging. It'll turn red when it's it's green right now, so that means it's got plenty of charge. And it'll turn red when it starts needing a charge. Sorry. So I've got 2 of these, and we use them a lot in the shop. I mean, I can't tell you how many times that I will turn to use this different projects. I even use them filming YouTube videos as lighting. I mean, you could do this, and then you can also direct airline traffic if that's your kind of thing. So all jokes aside, these are really, really nice lights. $25, $24, I forget what the coupon is for this. Be sure to check out the coupon before you go to Harbor Freight. You can't beat them. Great, great lights. Also, the light back here is the BRAUN LED light. Love this light. I'm going to put them on all of my work tables. It's got a pull chain to turn it on and off. I think these are $19 with coupon. I cannot suggest these enough either. So as you get older, these lights are nice to have to shine lights on what you're working on. Okay, we'll check back later with you guys. Appreciate you. Be sure to subscribe, like the video, and I try to reply to comments down below. See you later.